trap and take over.
Okay, whoa. You gotta bring that shit back.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my armpit waxed for the first time. I tried to save this armpit hair for like a week and a half just so I can do this.
It's okay with you?
Okay.
See.
Yo. That wasn't too bad. I feel like I'm about to have me some new armpits. Because I heard that like waxing your armpits is better for your armpits, right? Well, that's what I heard. Because like it helps with like hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. And like probably less ingrown hairs or something like that. But yeah, your girl just had to try it. And like I think what they say, it gives you like lighter armpits. I don't know. We gonna see.
I'm using this soft spray on you in case you want to rotate it, you know?
Yeah, and I do
Okay.
like versatility.
Got you, little mama.
Cause I got a big forehead, so well, it's not really a big forehead. It's a protruding forehead.
No, it's not.
I got a peanut. I got a peanut, but you know, it's the forehead. My mom said it's because I'm smart.
Prepare to me, sick of me.
Oh, and by the way, I never know how to act. Fun fact. But y'all know that already.
You ain't gonna call. You going with your man.
Oh, that's right.
You know what? Leave me alone, please. How many you want on this side?
Just 2 again. I'm real simple.
What? 1, 2?
No.
No.
1,
2.
Mm-hmm.
So none right here. Okay.
I'm very simple.
Tell me something, boo.
I was kicking to you, had some fun on a run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was
Just need to blend everything in. We gonna start by putting a little bit of this on. I'm using like my foundation color.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. Like you better by my side. I truly believe that you listen. When they try and pull you in, I'll be the first one down to ride. You know I got you, you got me. Just like a tattoo on my skin.